In this video, I'll be showing you how to generate your UTME 2026 profile code now using your NIN. Now let's start. The first thing to do is to go to your SMS. As you can see your SMS here, let me click on it. Mind you, immediately after watching this video, go ahead to take your phone to follow this procedure and also generate your profile code. You can start generating your profile code for the year 2026. Please start it now. So what do you need? You need your NIN. So let me go to this start chart here. And after going to this start chart, you are going to go to this place. Then what are you going to type? You are going to type 55019. 55019. This simply means that you want to send a message to 55019. Although you can actually send it to 55019 or you send it to 66019. But the best thing to send it to is 55019. So you look at this place now, you want to send a message to 55019. Now let me go to this text message. Now what do you want to send? You want to send your NIN. Now this is the way to send the NIN, because if you didn't follow the normal procedure, you will notice that you'll be getting different error from JAMB, and then JAMB will be deducting your money without giving you your profile code. So now you go to this, type in capital letter, ensure it is in capital letter NIN. Now look at this now, NIN in capital letter. If you type it in small letter, you will not get your profile code and your money will be deducted. So you are going to give it just a single space. As you can see here, look at it here. I gave it just a single space here. Let me delete this space bar. You see, after deleting, then I have it here. Then let me give it a space bar. Then you will now enter your 11 digit NIN number, something like this. Let me say 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 8 9. Then let me put 0 1. So this is a particular 11 digits NIN number. Then you are going to send. Mind you, don't use your parent NIN number. Don't use your father, mother, uncle, sibling NIN number. The NIN number must be your own, because of the information supplied on your NIN will be used while registering JAMB. So it's very important for you to use your own NIN. So you are going to send it. Now, while sending it, you must use, you can see, read this place, messages could like to send a message to 55019. Then if I really wanted to send a message, I will click on send. Now the phone number you will use to send this SMS must be any Nigerian number like MTN, Glo, Airtel, and then 9 Mobile. You can use your daddy phone number, but you can never, and you should never use your dad NIN. You can use your mom phone number, but you should never use your mom NIN. You can use your own phone number. So you can use your siblings, your brother, your uncle, your relative, anybody you can easily call whenever JAMB send any message to that number. So you can use their phone number. It's not compulsory for you to use the phone number you use to register this NIN. Take note of that. So, and also, before you send this message to 5019, your NIN, the way I have explained earlier, try to buy airtime on your line. You must have at least 15 naira airtime, because 15 naira will be deducted from your line, not bonus. Mind you, not bonus. And if you are owing MTN, ensure that you go and recharge your line, and you must use the actual use the actual balance, not bonus, to send the message. Now if I intentionally want to send a message, I will just click on send. But you know, I'm just using this video to guide you 2026 UTME student on how to generate your profile code. As I said earlier, start generating your profile code now. I mean, get it now before over 1.9 million candidates used to register JAMB every year. So, and all of them must generate profile code. Mind you, if you don't have NIN, you cannot generate profile code. If you don't have profile code, you cannot register for JAMB 2026. So one step leads to the other. NIN comes first. After NIN, then you move to profile code. And after profile code, then you move to the main registration. So after getting this profile, now I will click on cancel, because I'm not planning to get my profile code. You know, I only use an assumed 11 digit NIN number. So let me click on cancel. So I've cancelled it, as you can see. After generating your profile code, the profile code is a 10 digit number. So after you have gotten your profile code, the next thing to do is to vend your ePIN. Yeah, if you want to get your ePIN, you can just go on the comment section that you want to vend your ePIN or direct entry PIN, or probably you come to our WhatsApp number. Let's do that for you. Is that ePIN you will take down to CBT Center for you to initiate your registration. That ePIN is also known as the main form, like the main form. And also for UTME students, if you want a virtual tutorial, we used to conduct tutorial for our JAMB students. It's an online tutorial. We use Zoom and WhatsApp platform. It is 8,000 naira per month. And then our classes are Monday to Friday, while weekend is for revision and evaluation. And you run it for both science, art, and commercial students. I mean the business and humanities students together with science. It's 8,000 naira. It's in the night from 9 to past 11, but most times we end the class by 11. So if you're interested, it's 8,000 naira. Do well to message us on WhatsApp using the WhatsApp number displayed on your screen. And also after sending your NIN to this, like after following this procedure, and if you didn't get your profile code, let's assume you are getting different error or different messages from JAMB, something like no record found, something like error gateway submission or anything, ensure to let me know your response, the response you are getting from JAMB. Ensure to type it under the comment section and I will respond to them. I will tell you the solution to each of your responses you are getting in the comment section. And if I didn't reply you within 1 hour, do well to send the error to our WhatsApp number, then I will rectify or tell you the solution to the error immediately. Thank you so much. Please do well to share this video to other UTME 2026 students. Bye.